Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that's been buzzing in the tech world. What is DeepSeek, and is it free? If you're curious about AI tools and how they can help you in your daily life or work, stick around, because this one's for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what DeepSeek is, how it works, and whether it's worth your time and money. Let's get started. What is DeepSeek? DeepSeek is an advanced AI-powered platform designed to help users with a wide range of tasks, from generating content and answering questions to analyzing data and even assisting with coding. Think of it as your personal AI assistant, but with the power to handle complex tasks efficiently. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who loves exploring new tech, DeepSeek aims to make your life easier by providing smart, accurate, and fast solutions. But what really sets it apart is its versatility. It's not just a chatbot or a simple tool, it's a multifunctional AI that adapts to your needs. Here's how it works. You simply input your query or task, and DeepSeek uses its advanced algorithms to deliver results in seconds. For example, let's say you're a student and you need help writing an essay. You can type in your topic, and DeepSeek will generate a well-structured draft for you in no time. Or maybe you're a developer stuck on a tricky coding problem. DeepSeek can analyze your code, identify errors, and even suggest improvements. It's like having a genius friend who's always ready to help. And it doesn't stop there. DeepSeek can also help with data analysis, brainstorming ideas, and even creating presentations. The possibilities are endless. Now, let's address the big question: is DeepSeek free? Well, the answer is, it depends. DeepSeek offers both free and paid plans. The free version is great for casual users who want to explore its basic features. You can ask questions, generate short content, and get quick answers without spending a dime. But if you're looking for more advanced capabilities, like handling larger projects, accessing premium features, or getting faster response times, you might want to check out their paid plans. These are tailored for professionals and businesses that need a bit more power. For example, the paid plans often include priority support, higher usage limits, and access to exclusive tools. So, is DeepSeek worth it? If you're someone who frequently needs help with writing, research, or problem solving, DeepSeek can be a game changer. And hey, starting with the free plan is a great way to test the waters before committing to a subscription. Imagine how much time you could save by automating repetitive tasks or getting instant help with complex problems. For students, it's like having a tutor on demand. For professionals, it's like having an extra team member who never sleeps. Now, don't forget to let me know in the comments how you're using DeepSeek or any other AI tools you love. Also, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might be interested in AI tools. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, keep exploring and stay curious.